Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I got really something exciting for all the students out there. If you have ever struggled with the assignments, writing or even with the presentation, then this video is just for you. Alright, let's kick things off with the subject that almost everyone hates. Yeah, you guessed it right, it is none other than mathematics. Personally, I wasn't good at maths in my school days, and my teachers on the other hand, they used to give me a lot of assignments. And I'm pretty sure your teacher also does the same. But it is time to play games now because I got just the perfect tool for you guys. It is called InMath. InMath, it is an AI tool that solves math problems. You can give it any problem and it will solve a math problem for you with the steps. Now, I've tested this tool with the different types of complex math problems and this has given me a perfect answer every time. So if you are someone who struggles with the math, then this tool is for you. Next up, we got tabbing. Imagine having a coding site that completes your coding before you even finish typing. It's like magic, right? I know that coding assignments can be daunting, but the tabbing simplifies the process and makes you feel like a coding pro. It suggests code based on your writing style. You can add the tabbing to the different tabbing extension to the different IDEs. And trust me guys, it is the best tool that you can find on coding. Moving to Grammarly, this tool turns your writing from okay to wow. Somewhere in our journey as a student, we have to write essays, and let's be honest, it is the most boring part. But we have to do it anyways. And doing so, we make a lot of grammatical mistakes. To avoid those mistakes, there is no other perfect tool than Grammarly. It's like having your own virtual assistant. It catches those grammatical mistakes that we make and it helps us improve, making it a perfect tool for every student out there. Now let's talk about presentations. We all have been there. Creating slides can be time consuming and there is always debate between our group that who will be creating slides. But don't worry, I got just the tool for this also. It is called as SlidesGo AI Presentation Maker. Now we all know or we heard about the SlidesGo AI for their free templates for PowerPoint presentations. With the SlidesGo AI presentation, you can create stunning slides. You just have to type in the topic name and it will create the presentation for you within seconds. Now, but the last but least, the ChatGPT. I mean, you've heard about ChatGPT way before I'm telling you, and you know it doesn't get any better than this one. Whether you are a student from first standard or whether you are a postgraduate student, you have any problem, you just have to come in and type few. You just have to type in your problem and it gives you answer. Whether it is a math, science, or history, you can ask any question to ChatGPT and it will give you the perfect answer. And hope this video helped you guys. Thank you for watching.